Shalom, this is Yehudit from Tzfat. I want to share with you movements I'm doing for the 36th day of the counting of preparation for the holiday of Sigd, rededication to Torah and to Judaism of the Ethiopian community. And 36th day puts us into the 6th series of 7. We've been doing the Sephirot counting since Yom Kippur. And we're now at the beginning of the week of Yesod, of communication, relationship, intimacy, connection, and working on awareness in our personal lives of how we behave at this sphere and also in the level of community and collective level of awareness. So I'm using the nikudot, the Hebrew vowels, movements for those to represent this connection of Chesed. The beginning here is Chesed is openness, loving kindness, awareness of abundance, and a sense of giving. So Chesed Sheba Yesod. Yesod is the foundation, is that sense of relationship and connectedness. So that's the energy of the day. The vow for Chesed is the Segol. So you bring your hands, feet shoulder width apart, parallel to each other. Hands come forward, right hand outside. Coming down, we're going to, Segol is 3 dots, 2 above, and 1 underneath. That's Segol. And then 3 dots. Open S. Chesed, openness. Sometimes I call it like a funnel for the universe. Just saying, wow, and then being really open and vulnerable too. And there's real openness in my whole body for Chesed. And then the Shuruk for Yesod, I often call speaking from the heart. You make a dot right in front of the center of your body, and you go, ooh, right by the heart, and going out from that place. Ooh, bending the head to make the vav. So my head is bent forward, and the vav is here, and the dot is here. Ooh, lifting my head and then bending it again. Ooh, it's relationship. And from my center outward. Ooh. So I do this as a combination. What I've been doing for this second half of this counting is doing it 4 times. The combination is 4 times for the personal level, the levels of soul, Nefesh, Ruach, Neshama, and Chayah. Chayah being an integrative spiritual level of my soul. It's just amazing aliveness and integrating all the other levels of the physical Nefesh level, the emotional Ruach level, and the Beriyah intellectual level. And then doing that 4 times, the combination, and then doing 4 times for community awareness, collective awareness at the level of Asiyah, of behavior and action, level of Yetzirah, emotional level, and then the level of Beriyah, of thought, and the level of Atzilut, spiritual, connected, close to HaShem level, one of intention and motivation. So let's start this pattern of 4 for the personal level and the pattern of 4 for the collective level. Chesed, Sheba, Yesod, Segol and Shuruk. Ooh. 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 The 4th time. Ooh. elbows. Letting the energy go down, being breathed by HaShem. Knees are slightly bent, hanging from a string, supported by the earth. And for community, Asiyah, Yetzirah, Beriyah, Atzilut. Behavior, emotion, thought, and spirit integration. Final. And letting myself be breathed, putting my feet together at this point, and letting the energy pass from my crown down to my feet as I'm breathed by HaShem. Feeling HaShem surrounding me, inside of me, present for me. And maybe, then I want to show you the counting. I've been showing you how to count, so we're on the 36th day of counting. That's the beginning of the 6th week. And this would be a lamed. I've shown you lamed from two sides, a small lamed. And then it turns around to the big lamed. Small lamed from my fingertips to my knee. 1, 2, 3 to bring it down and ground it. And the large lamed, fingertips to the lower toe, to the toe of my foot, the raised foot. That's the lamed. There's several different vavs. What I often do for vav, for a number, is to do what I call the reaching vav, or the connecting vav, which is reaching out, starting to, this is the vav here seen from the side, but I'm also scrobbing the vav. When I reach out, I lift the heel on that side and slowly lower it in timing with my hand. So I lift the heel, begin to lower it, and when my palm opens, my heel comes down. So if I'm doing lamed vav, 36, so I bless us all that we may learn. Lamed is learning and teaching, and teach connectedness. The Vav is connection, both heaven and earth, and connecting with each other, because the Yesod has a Vav in it too, the center, the heart center of being able to be in relationship with a lot of Chesed, with this amazing gift we've been given to be like HaShem, to be giving and open. responsive. And so may we know how to do that in a healthy way, honoring who we are in the fullness of our being as spiritual beings in a collective community. May we be blessed.